Hello again. This module we will investigate and evaluate the purposes and types of educational testing. Of course, the purposes of such tests vary greatly depending on the needs of the stakeholders. But the key question is, do educational tests actually achieve their intended purposes? I'll let you decide the answer to that question through your critical reading and thinking. Educational testing in general refers to both classroom and standardized tests and can therefore take many forms. As you are reading the required materials, look for information on authentic, computer-based, high-stakes, cognitive, performance-based, aptitude, intelligence, behavioral, and achievement tests. You will also be introduced to three basic forms of testing: diagnostic, formative, and summative. Keep these terms in mind as we continue in the course, as they will become a regular part of our dialogue. It may seem like there is a lot of reading in each unit, but many of the articles are short and well organized. I am trying to be aware and sensitive to your workload, but we also have a lot of ground to cover in this course. If you ever feel like you already know the material, certainly feel free to just skim the resources. However, keep in mind that you often must reference the required reading in your coursework in order to meet the assignment expectations. In addition to the module-based discussion board, this week you will respond to another case study. This time you'll be working with a partner, however. This case study asks you to put yourself in a hypothetical situation. There is intentionally a bit of ambiguity in the description of the scenario in order to allow you the flexibility to fine-tune it to your desired parameters. For example, you can approach the case as a teacher, curriculum specialist, or administrator. You can also determine the specific type of private school with which you will work. The ultimate goal is for you and your partner to generate an assessment plan for this brand new school. What kind of testing will take place? Will you even use standardized testing? Why or why not? What will regular classroom assessment look like? What will the standard be for teachers in your school regarding how and how often they test their students? While actual assessment plans can literally take months and months to develop, I'm not asking your team to draft that kind of detailed step-by-step plan. Although I do want you to demonstrate critical thinking and provide a fairly well thought out overview of your assessment plan, what I'm really looking for is your fulfillment of the stated learning objectives. That is, to identify and evaluate multiple purposes and types of educational tests. Additionally, I really want to see strong collaboration take place. I know that it can be difficult to synthesize ideas, especially when you may have contrasting opinions about what should go into the plan. However, I also believe that those conflicting ideas can really lead to a much stronger product in the end. Use each other to fill in the gaps in your reasoning. Blend your thoughts together so that they're coherent and seamless. I shouldn't be able to tell when one person's writing starts or another person's writing ends. Instead, when I view the revision history in Google Drive by going to File and then See Revision History, I should actually see a patchwork of color indicating that your team has intentionally melded multiple ideas and writing styles to create a meaningful synthesized argument. As always, if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to post them to the FAQ. Remember, you are not in this alone. See you next time.